Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I'm gonna show you a simple tutorial for these simple setups for your PC. So without further ado, let's dive in. So these are widgets which are not supported by Windows 10 or Windows 11 natively, but we can download an application called Rainmeter from the web that will help us with the support for widgets. So firstly, we will download the Rainmeter and install it. After installation, when you launch it, you will see many default widgets like this. Just unload them by right clicking on them and then click on unload. For the second step, we will download a skin called shaFs. You can just Google it and then download it. If you have not installed the Rainmeter, then this will not work as it is installed as a skin directly on Rainmeter. Now for the wallpaper, I will use the wallpapers from an artist called NIXEU from the DeviantArt. You are free to choose yours. So to download anything here on DeviantArt, you need an account. If you don't, then you have to sign up. Download your wallpaper and now set that as your desktop wallpaper. Now install the shaFs skin for the Rainmeter and it will load the skin. If it doesn't, then you have to load it manually by launching the Rainmeter, then search for the shaFs folder. Now inside the folder, under the main subfolder, click on home and load it. Now the shaFs will be launched. Just click on the library and download the modular clock and modular visualizer from there. You can also download it from the Discover tab. The downloading will take few seconds. After it is downloaded, activate it by tapping activate on the upper left side. You can drag the clock to your preferred position. Now under the general settings, you can choose the clock style you want, and after selecting the style, you can customize the clock. You can choose the color or size of your clock. Also, if you like what you are seeing, then please consider subscribing. Now for the next step, we will download the modular visualizer and activate it. Now under the layout, choose the visualizer. Here I will choose the last one as it uses 3 layers of an image for visualizing. Now under the appearance, you can choose the image for this visualizer. You are free to choose yours. Here I will choose this one. For more nicer look, you can use the Rounded TV app. You can download that from the Microsoft Store. It will make your taskbar dock-like. You can then position your visualizer behind the docked taskbar. To use the same dock setting as me, you can pause the video here. Now you can play any music to see the setup in action. If the visualizer is in front of the taskbar, just right click on it and under the change Z layer, change it to -2. You can also do it with the other widgets too. Now your setup is complete. That's all from my end. Hope it was enjoyable, and if it was, then do like the video and do subscribe. This is shaFs and I will catch you in the next one.